In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change theme in VS Code. So first open up VS Code. Then next is head over at the top menu and click File. Now here, hover your mouse on Preferences. Then next is Themes. Then click on Color Theme. A list of themes will then pop up. So here you can scroll through and preview them instantly. Just click on any theme to see how it looks. Now, if you want to see more options, just click on Browse Additional Color Themes. This opens up Extensions Marketplace where you can install new themes. Popular ones to try should be Dark, Light, Dracula Official, One Dark Pro, and once you find the one you like, simply click on it. From there, you might also see some pop-up windows like this, so all you have to do is press the OK button. You might also be prompted to install it, so just follow all the on-screen prompts. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!